I need to replace the ignition module on my Cub Cadet Model 2130 with the Kohler 13 horsepower Command OHV engine. Do you have a procedure I can review?
Can you guesstimate how old the engine is? And has it done anything like this in the past?
10 years old maybe? I bought mower used. Last summer when air temp is warm, mower would begin to misfire and eventually die. I heard from another Cub Cadet owner that the ignition module was likely the culprit.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
It looks like I have to pull the engine to get to flywheel.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer. You need to remove the blower housing to access the coil, but the flywheel does not have to be removed. The module is external of the flywheel. https://www.partstreet.com/parts/cub-cadet/213212F113A212F100 Cub Cadet Lawn Tractor SN326006 up/blower housing and baffles/ https://www.partstreet.com/parts/cub-cadet/mowers lawn garden tractor/213013B212F113A212F100 Cub Cadet Lawn Tractor SN326006 up/ignition electrical/.
Will getting access to blower housing require removing engine from the mower chassis?
As I remember, the engine can be removed, or the piece of sheet metal behind the engine can be loosened and tilted back away from the engine, to allow the flywheel cover to be removed. There is no reference in the service manual.
Thank you. We'll tackle this weekend.
Okay.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.